In this video, I am going to show you how to migrate from Magento 1 to Magento 2 using this third options. Already you used one simple Magento and you build your Magento 2 stores using build with parameters. It was running successfully. If you go to console output, you see your store URL and admin access. If you go to store, your store is empty and this is your admin login page. If you go down, you see this, you can see that version number and everything. Okay, I'm going to show you a little bit. I'm going to squeeze your windows. Okay, you see that it is version number is 2.3.5. okay, already I had my old store. It was running on Magento 1. I have some old product, I am selling it. I want to migrate Magento 1 to Magento 2. It won't take more than 30 minutes. Okay, now I am coming back. I'm going to Jenkins. I'm going to option 3, Magento 1 to Magento 2 migration. Already my store is up and running. First of all, you have to see download data migration tools. Open that one, build with parameter. Then it is asking which store you are planning to migrate. Already I used my store and this is my version number. Click build. Then in the left hand side, it started installing the migration tool. That is the first step for Magento 1 to Magento 2 migration. You have to install this tool. Automatically it will log into your servers. It will try to install the data migration tool. Wait for a few minutes. Yeah, it is success. Data migration tool is installed. Now you can able to migrate Magento 1 to Magento 2 easily. Again, if you are forgot, you can go to Jenkins and go to 3 Magento 1 upgrade. Already data migration tool is completed. Now you are going on full migration. There is a, if you want to do media migration, you can do media only. Delta migration means it will do delta migration. Always click full migration first. Okay, then click build with parameter. If the migration tool is installed, then only it will show you this page. You have to choose which version your Magento 1 was installed. For my case, Magento 1 was installed 1.9.4.5. If you go down, you will see some version 1.9.4.4. okay, if your version is different, choose a different version. Okay, this is must. If you choose wrong version, and then the installation will fail. Okay, I choose this version. Then I have to put the source IP address, that is your source Magento database. I don't want a website, I want a database IP address and data Magento 1 database name, that is your source, and user ID, password, and like a table prefix. If you have table prefix, put it. If you don't have it on source, remove it. And your port number, that is like a 33 06, that is your database port. This is all source. In the target, you can put your IP address or keep it default, and your target database, if you change it, put a database name properly. If you don't know, go to your simple installation, find out what database name you put it. Okay, if you use default one, I choose default one, and target database username, this is a target database password, and the target database prefix, table prefix, and the target database port. Keep always 3306. Then use public key, private key if you are using a open source to open source. If you are using like a open source to commercial, that is called enterprise, then you have to bring your own key, or commercial to commercial, you have to use your own key. For our case, like Magento 1 and Magento 2, both are open source. Okay, that's why I'm choosing my key, or if you know the key, you can put public key and private key here. And choose full. There is a two setups, settings and data. Data is only for database migration. Setting means it will do initial settings, and you can put like reset and auto. Reset means if it find any issues, it will try to reset. Auto means automatically it will do all the corrections, it will try to migrate. Click build. Then in the left hand side you see it is running. If you cannot see it in the top, always make sure it is disable auto refresh is showing. If it is enable auto refresh, you have to click enable auto refresh. Okay, here open this one. If you want to see the output, put console output. The data migration is going on. Because this store was empty, after data migration is done, this product will be available on like a Magento 2 within 10 to 20 minutes, less than 20 minutes, everything will be ready. It's still running. Yeah, it is success. Like before you do, make sure it is success. If you refresh here, it's not showing the page. The reason is you have to do caching. Go to admin and go to systems. You see cache management. Then flush Magento cache. Yeah, the caching is done. If you go here, if you refresh your page, you will see that product is installed or migrated. You got it? It's like less than 30 minutes, everything is ready. If you go to your catalog, product, you see the product came from Magento 1 to Magento 2. You can do a lot of testing and validation. Now like if you go to the Magento 1 to Magento 2 upgrade, then the third one is media migration. Suppose your image is missing, if you go to animal cat, the image is not coming. What you can do, you can go to Magento 1 servers, you can zip your files, then you can install it. For that, go to Jenkins, Magento 1 to Magento 2, click media migration, build with parameter, and choose your store. Choose the file. That file came from Magento 1 zip file, all the medias. That if you see that our installation document, it will show you how to zip a file from Magento 1, how to upload it here. Okay, if you click build, the image file will be loaded. Okay, the third one is, suppose you are done with migration, In the meantime, somebody was adding a product or somebody was purchasing more. What you can do, you can run a build with parameter and put all the same setups, don't do any changes, then run build. Then what it will do, it will try to pull the delta data from Magento 1 to Magento 2. If you want to cancel it at any time, at the top you can cancel it. Okay, this is the upgrade. The upgrade was done within 30 minutes. I just want to let you know this product came on this Magento 2 servers within 30 minutes. It won't take even 30 minutes. If you see here, Magento 2.3.5, you got the product. I didn't enter it manually. It came from Magento 1.